The times rounded to the nearest minute it took each of the 6 classmates to run a mile are 7, 9, 10, 11, 11, and 12 minutes. Draw a dot plot representation for the mile times. Suppose that Sabrina thinks the mean is 11 minutes. Is she correct? And explain your answer. If she were correct, on the left side of the balance, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4 to get to 7, 2 away to get to 9, and 1 away to get to 10 for a total distance of 7. On the other side, we would have 1 away to get to 12. But 7 is not equal to 1, so she is incorrect. Make sure you have some distance as your explanation for why she is incorrect. So since she is incorrect, what is the balancing point or the mean? I'm going to erase that part right there we've got. We want to place the balancing point, that triangle, in a location where the distance is the same on both sides. I'm going to guess that it might be 10. At 10, I have 1 to get to 9 and 3 to get to 7 on the left side for a total of 4. And then on the other side of that balance, I have 1 to get to 11, 1 to get to 11, and 2 to get to 12 for 4. So both sides are equal to one another, which means the balance, also known as the mean, is at 10. Number 3, the prices per gallon of gasoline in cents at 5 gas stations across town on one day are shown in the following dot plot. The price for a 6th station is missing, so we have to put it in there. But the mean price, meaning the balancing point, is at 380, just under 381. Use the balancing process to determine the price of a gallon of gasoline at the 6th station. So on the right side, from 380 to 384 is 4, and we have 2 dots there. From 380 to 390 is 10. The total distance on this side is 4 plus 4 plus 10, which is 18. From 380 to 375 is 5 away, and from 380 to 370 is 10 away, which gives us 15. So to make it balanced, I need to add another 3 over here to make 18, which means I need to go 3 this way, which from 380, 379, let's make this a little better, 380 to 379, 378, 377 is where that 6th point is located. Number 4. The number of phones owned by the members of each of 9 families is 3, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, and 8. Use the mathematical formula for mean to determine the sum of the data points and divide by the number of data points. This finds the mean. I'm going to do this over here just so I have a little bit more room. Okay. Okay, so here the total, let's see, this makes 8, 12, 12, 14, and 8. 8 and 12 make 20. 12 and 14 make 26. 20 and 26 make 46. And 46 plus 8 gives us a total of 54. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 54 divided by 9. 9 times 6 gives us 54. So the mean is 6. In part B, it says draw a dot plot and verify by using the balancing process. So if I balance at 6, these are all a distance of 0, so I don't have to worry about those. This is 1, 1, 2, 3, for a total of 4 on the left side. Here I have 1, 1, and 2, for a total of 4. 1 plus 2 gives us a total of 4. So both sides are equal.